What is up guys? Kuya Snowden is here again with another video dito sa channel natin na Snowden Gaming na. So I hope na marami kayong natutunan with our previous videos. Pero merong ulit update si Sino that might change some things doon sa recent patch notes update natin. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara, silipin natin yung updates. So, what is up mga batid? No? So, nandito na tayo sa information part. Dito sa in-game, no? Makikita nyo dito kasi yung mga maintenance, yung mga bug reports na mangyayari sa Project Sino. So, you can see this on the upper right corner. Click nyo lang yung 3 dash line na color blue sa may taas and click nyo yung news and mapupunta na kayo dito sa maintenance update. So, para makita nyo yung mga updates na nangyari and mangyayari pa lang in-game. No? So, this was held August 31st, 4 a.m. to 12:30 a.m. UTC. No? So, if I'm not mistaken, 12 p.m. to Philippine time noong August 31. No? So, ang daming updates na nangyari. No? So, baka may mga changes dun sa previous updates natin sa patch notes. No? So, let's see. So, yung contents is decreases the attack increase bonus of the breaker skill Ragnarok. No? So, medyo binabaan siya dahil medyo masakit din yung ultimate ni Ragnarok na yun kasi bibilis ka rin doon na ikaw yung mauuna sa kalaban. No? So, next one, reduce the HP of summoned units. For the psychic skill meteor. No? So, with the update last time, no, in-increase nila yung damage yung HP nung meteor, no. So ngayon binabaan nila, no. So in-update nila 'yan. So ninja skill Konoha Gakure no Jutsu gains 1 energy, no. So may plus 1 energy na yung card na 'yan. Guardian skill Hyper Repair has its HP recovery amount reduced, no. So madalas ko rin tong nagagamit yung Hyper Repair, no, kapag nagso-summoning technique tayo, gamit ang Arting Guardian. Next one, increase the shield value of the Guardian skill Aegis, no? So nilagyan nila, dinagdagan nila yung Aegis, no? Decrease the effect value passive skill Last Stand, increase value passive top speed. Okay, ang dami nilang binago sa mga passive skill, no? Increase the effect value of passive skill Accelerator, increases the effect value of passive skill High Speed, no? Decrease effect value ng Summon Unit Killer, no? So decrease effect value skill the Guardian Summon, increases the damage reduction effects of the Sun series Charm, no? So may mga in-updates din sila sa Charm, no? So I think ito yung mga nakita ng community na possible na mga naging OP, no, with the recent patch notes, no? So possible din nagkaroon ng mga bugs. So they need to fix it kasi sometimes kapag nag-a-update ang isang game, so minsan may mga naaapektuhan din na ibang parts ng game. That's why they need to fix it. Okay? So next one, decrease the effect of the Thunder series Charm. Okay, yung mga charm, no, medyo in-increase and na-decrease din. Next one, change the number of trophies won and lost in the arena 7 to fixed values. Okay? Change so that the number of consecutive wins of the opponent is added to the bonus generated when winning consecutive arena battles. So pag nagwi-win streak, the number of wins is now added to the bonus generated when winning consecutive arena battles na. So for the win streak yan. Fix an error that occurs on the result screen at the end of the battle. So change so that the Sino details can be opened by tapping action order. So ang dami ring in-adjust, no. Added the battle pass, no. So dito na medyo nasayan kasi magkakaroon ulit tayo ng free battle pass, no. So because as you can see, meron free na nakukuha sa battle pass, no? So sobrang dami ring naging updates, no. So you guys can read this, no. So always check yung news part dito sa may upper right corner, doon sa 3 lines. Click nyo lang yung news and then makikita nyo na yung mga information about sa updates, no. So, yung Battle Pass, sobrang solid ng Battle Pass dahil kakaroon ulit tayo ng free Battle Pass na pwede nating makuha, no? So, goods yan dahil sa atin na umaasa lang sa free dahil medyo mahal din yung Battle Pass, no? So, I don't recommend you to buy, guys. Just play it for free, play it for fun because it's fun to play and enjoy and to learn. Okay? So, yun lamang muna mga kapatid with this quick video update with the latest recent patch note, no? So, may mga naiba dun sa mga yung mga previous updates nila, no? So, on our previous video, so may mga in-update silang konti and may mga fix na bugs. Okay? So, kita-kits ulit tayo on our next video in our channel Snowden Gaming. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Maraming salamat mga kapatid. Kita-kits ulit on our next video. Bye-bye!